So this is actually our CTS machine. Very easy, you just lock it into place. It's only got one way to go. It's got a 3-point contact system on it. So it's got one down here, here, and over here. As long as your art comes across and it's all layered on top of each other, it's gonna line up perfectly on that press. You'll output it. So you can see this image right here is not getting touched at all. Everything else on this screen is getting exposed. And the only thing that you're typically losing is just a little bit of time. Wax is a little bit faster, but you do get the highest quality out of here. We got halftones that we've never been able to get before, dots that are so small, literally quality you've never ever seen. It does do 2 screens at a time, so it typically runs at an average of maybe 5 minutes for those 2 screens. We were spending upwards of maybe $1,200 of wax a month in imaging screens. This itself takes out the consumable and the cost of that entirely. So you're not looking at using any film, any wax. The second this screen leaves this machine, it's ready to wash out.